If a squared minus b squared is equal to 18 and a plus b is equal to 6, what is the value of a minus b? Okay, there's two ways to solve this. One is a little bit shorter than the other, but it requires that you kind of pick up on not an advanced math technique, but just the fact that you're good with your squares. We'll try that one first, the kind of shorter, harder one. So this value, a squared minus b squared, that's actually the product of a plus b times a minus b. Now, not everyone's going to recognize that just off the top of their heads, especially when they're under pressure taking the test. So we're going to show you the other way to solve that. But if you do notice that, then this is the kind of quicker way to do it. So if a squared minus b squared equals 18, then a plus b times a minus b, that also equals 18. Now, a plus b is 6, so we can put that in the place of b there, or of a plus b. So 6 times a minus b equals 18. We divide each side by 6. A minus b equals 3. So that was a quick way to do it. It's just dependent on whether or not you can notice that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So our actual answer is 3 here. Now, we're going to confirm that. And now I'm going to do it the kind of other way that just takes a little bit longer, but it's a little bit easier. You don't have to notice that value there. So if a plus b equals 6, that means that b is equal to 6 minus a. We just subtract a from both sides. B is equal to 6 minus a. Now we plug in b into this value here. So we plug in 6 minus a for this value b here. So it turns into a squared minus 6 minus a squared. Now we square this out, and that's a squared minus 36 plus 12a minus a squared. This is all equal to 18, of course. Now these two a squares minus out because that's negative a squared and that's positive a squared. So it's 36 plus 12a equals 18. Bring that over here. We subtract, it's negative 36 because it's minus 36 there. So we add 36 to both sides and we come up with 12a is equal to 54. So we divide each side by 12 and we come up with a is equal to, what is it, 4.5. So if that's the case, then a plus b equals 6 is going to be 4.5 plus b is equal to 6. That is, b is equal to 1.5. So what is the value of a minus b? Well, it's 4.5 minus 1.5, or 3, which was the answer that we came up with. So two different ways to go about this. One takes a little bit longer, but it's a little bit easier calculations. The other one's a little bit harder calculation, but it only takes you like 3 steps or so. Either way, you come up with answer 3. Okay, let's move on.